Hey guys, Devil here, back in with another video. In this video, I'm just going to show you about a social engineering attack, uh, a fake website that looks real and it will just take your information and give you nothing. So I got a link through SMS, as you guys can see here. The link is flipkartsell.club, and if someone look at the website, it is looking absolutely real. And as you guys can see the price, and most probably anyone will enter their personal information without thinking where the information is going. So let me show you. So it's also opening, and as you guys can see, it's a secure connection also. Okay, and if I click on buy now, then you guys can see it's asking for my phone number and all this. So if I enter anything here, and let me test it. Okay, and let us see. So it is also giving an option to pay online payment. So let us see this. So what happens? So as you guys can see, nothing is happening here. If I click it, then also no response, and basically my this information was delivered somewhere to the owner, to the owner of the website, and thus my information was leaked. So please be aware of these fake websites, and first of all, always see the link of the website you are opening. The original Flipkart website has a domain of .com, flipkart.com domain, and here as you guys can see, it's .club, and the name is also changed. So please pay attention to this, because this could give a rise to serious problems. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching this video.